Hi, this is Jayant. Welcome to the Toehold Academy app. So, in this app, we have a lot of courses, and one of the biggest courses we have is called the Art and Science of Photography, which is releasing in July 2021. We also have a very detailed course called the Lightroom Classic. Now, apart from these two huge courses, which are 10-12 hours each, we do have a lot of short courses like landscape photography, macro photography, black and white photography, and also courses like autofocusing, exposure metering, and flash and stuff like that. Having said that, I do realize there are a lot of people who are not sure what can they expect in a course because they've always been seeing some webinars where a person from a brand comes and talks about some stuff vaguely and they don't really learn too much about it. So I'd like to invite you inside the Toehold community, basically to show you what I am capable of as a photography mentor and instructor. So here's an area where I would probably be able to give a lot of my time with respect to some critique every week, tidbits of information, knowledge, free videos, and of course, a community on Telegram, which allows you to interact with already 400 plus people in the last 5 days. And I'm only sure it's going to grow in the near future to thousands of people. So if you want to be a part of this closed group on Telegram, and if you're willing to install Telegram and use it, which is of course a fantastic communication tool, much better than WhatsApp in my opinion, welcome to the Toehold Lounge. We opened this last week for an inaugural prize, but right now we already have our inaugural numbers, so we don't have the inaugural prize anymore. We want a quality control, so it costs 499 rupees right now for a lifetime access to be in the Toehold Lounge, to get unlimited number of tips, comments, feedback, critique from peers, and sometimes from people like me and my colleagues. Get exclusive videos once in a while in this particular lounge that you can access. For example, we already have a video on Lightroom, which is called the Demystifying Lightroom webinar. It is an hour of content which is useful for people to understand what Lightroom is before they want to buy a course, like the Lightroom Classic course, which is 10 hours. Or a video called Birds in Flight, which we uploaded last week, or a video called Shaping Light we uploaded this week, and many more. Even a Lightroom, a Hindi mein Lightroom ki parichai, there's also a video there. And I do hope to keep on adding some videos just for 499 rupees for lifelong to be a part of this community. If you want advice, feedback, critique, you have a community here which will help you, and I will be monitoring this as much as I can, as long as I'm in network, I'm in civilization, and I'm able to monitor it. If not me, there are also my colleagues from the Toehold team, the admin team, who will also be able to add value, give information, and of course, we do hope it will be a 360-degree learning to be a part of this community, not only on the Toehold app and get videos, lessons, and all of that, but also in the Telegram group that we have, which is buzzing with activity since the last 1 week. And I'm sure people who have been here already feel this was an invaluable contribution that we are giving them for the very, very small investment they have made. So guys, if you're not ready yet to take the Toehold's long courses, which are large courses like the Art and Science of Photography, or even for that matter, Lightroom, welcome to the community. Spend some time here to understand what Toehold is capable of, what our skills are, what kind of value add we give to people who want to learn photography, and hopefully someday you'll be able to join us on some big course and learn photography and take it to the next level. I'll see you in the lounge. Take care.